Morning student, myself Aman. I am going to teach 8th standard history subject. Chapter name is American Civil War. Civil War 1861-65. American Civil War, also known as a war between Southern state and Northern state. It began in 1861 and lasted till May 1865. Main cause of the war was slavery. Slavery because Northern state were industrialized state, and southern states mostly agriculture state. So northern state and southern state both had difference of opinion and views about the slavery. Northern state were rich state due to the rapid industrial growth and trade, but southern state were poor and backward due to the agriculture sector. Northern states were against the slavery and they considered that it is a blot on the name of a nation. But southern state, because mostly depend upon the slave peoples, so like a plantation of cotton, tobacco and sugarcane dependent on slave labor. So without the slave labor, agriculture would suffer in south area. Then Republican Party was founded by the northern states. Those were industrialized, who hated the slavery. In 1852, public feeling against slavery was intensified by Harriet Beecher Stowe's novel Uncle Tom's Cabin, which showed the ugly side of slavery in the America. After that, Fugitive Slave Act of 1850 made the condition of slaves highly insecure, means a bad and unkind conditions for the slave people in northern states and southern state also. The anti-slavery people who wanted the act to be abolished, called abolitionists, and also created an underground railroad to help slaves escape to Canada, where there were southern states started war against the northern state. But Abraham Lincoln made a proclamation for emancipation of slaves, means presidential proclamation by Abraham Lincoln, which abolished slavery. President Abraham Lincoln abolished slavery in the southern state and declared it illegal. So war was continued for 4 years, and in the end the South surrendered. In January 1863, Lincoln abolished slavery. Lincoln was not only fighting against slavery, he not only fought against the slavery, but also fighting for unity and integrity of the Union. War ended on April 9, 1865 at Appomattox, where the commander-in-chief of the Confederate Army, Robert E. Lee, surrendered, means the commander of southern state, surrendered to the Union commander, northern state, Ulysses S. Grant. The later went on to become president of USA. So the next is the result of war. What were result of war after the war? Mostly, war was fought on the southern soil, so they suffered a heavy damage and loss. And there was a period of reconstruction, means a period of the period following Civil War aimed at rebuilding the United States, means reunite and rebuild the United States. Second main result of the war, slavery was abolished from the United States, but problem of succession also entered and federal government became supreme authority in the United States. Federal government means which divides the power between the larger state and the local and regional state. Abraham Lincoln and his role in the American Civil War. Abraham Lincoln, he was born in 1809 in a log cabin in Kentucky. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of America, he played a very important role during the American Civil War. When the Union was breaking apart and the Civil War threatened the country, and with almost no support in the South, Lincoln swept the North and he was elected as a president in 1860. He brought the nation to peace and reunited the nation. and he struck a death blow to slavery, means he abolished the slavery. He served the nation with dedication and devotion. He was a great orator. He lived a life of hardship doing the manual work, and in 1861 he took office as president of America and fought a war to save the Union and to abolish the slavery. The next one is assassination of Abraham Lincoln. 5 days after General Lee's surrender on Good Friday, April 14, 1865, Abraham Lincoln was shot dead in a theater by John Wilkes Booth, an actor. A great and courteous figure was killed by a fanatic. Fanatic means a person who has extreme political and religious ideas. But Abraham Lincoln played a very important role for during the American Civil War, and he abolished the slavery in America. So thanks and have a nice day.